Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Muhammad Umair, AKUEB Islamiyat specialist and teacher of Islamiyat AKUEB. Inshallah, this video will be beneficial to all of you. Will support you to solve your Islamiyat examination in Agha Khan board. Okay, so last time we discussed about the verses and criteria to solve the verses in the form of MCQs, in the form of CRQs, in the form of ARQs. Inshallah. So today we will discuss about a hadith criteria according to the AKP examination. Okay, so remember that there are 5 criterias to solve the hadith in the form of MCQs, in the context of ERQs, in the context of CRQs. Okay, the very first standard is to understand the words of a hadith. Okay, words indicates the concept of hadith. The words indicates the main idea and the main definition of hadith. So according to AKB, you must understand the word of a hadith. Like, for example, talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli Muslim. This is the hadith. So you need to understand the word talab. Okay, according to SLO of AKB. So this is the very first standard, right? And number two, what are the key messages in a hadith? Okay, key messages means core ideas, fundamental messages. Key messages are the central points of a hadith. So you need to understand the central points, the central idea, and the main theme of a hadith. Okay, this is very next criteria in the SLO to solve the ahadith. Okay, and the third SLO, the third standard is related to the teachings of ahadith, or you can say the other teachings which are matched with this hadith you are teaching right now, you are understanding right now. Okay, for example, you discuss about hadith talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli Muslim. This is a hadith, and this hadith emphasizes the knowledge. So you need to understand the other areas, other teachings relevant to this hadith. Okay, other points. The next topic is understanding and application. It means what are the insights of hadith, what are the executions of hadith in the practical era, in your practical life, in your individual life, in your collective life. Okay, so the 4 point is related to understanding and application of hadith. Okay, in your social life, in your individual life, and in your collective life. And the last point is related to analyzation. Okay, you need to understand what are the lessons of hadith in your moral aspect, in your social aspect. Okay, regarding the behavior, concerning the behavior. Okay, so these are the criterias of a hadith in AKB examination. Okay, so we need to understand and we need to overview the main topic, right? Let's see. These are the main points. Okay, hold a minute. Right. So first, I discuss about the words of ahadith. Okay, these are the words. Okay, as I discussed and as I informed you. And the next point are the key messages. And the next point are the interrelationship or correlation of the teachings of hadith with this hadith. And the next point is understandings and applications. And the very next point is related to the lessons of ahadith in your moral and social aspect. Okay, so these are 5 standards and these are 5 points. Okay, inshallah, we will discuss and we will discuss about the example and the sample and model I am going to share. Okay, hold a minute. Yes. So this is the main document or sample document. Okay. As I discussed the criterias and SLOs to solve the ahadith in the MCQs form, in the ERQ form, in the CRQ. So this is the sample. This is the sample. You can see I shared a hadith. Akmal al mu'minina imanan ahsanuhum khuluqa. The most perfect believer in respect of faith is he who is the best of them in manners. Okay, this is the hadith. The first criteria and the first standard was to understand the words of hadith. So the first word of this hadith is akmal. Akmal mean the most perfect. Okay, the next very important word and very significant second word is ahsanuhum. Ahsanuhum, it means who is best. Okay, and the next point is khuluqa. Khuluqa means ikhlaqiyat or khulq. this is related to the manners. Okay, so you have fulfilled the first standard to solve the hadith. Okay, you have understand the words of a hadith. Okay, these words might be possible, these words are given in MCQs. Examiner can ask the meaning of akmal, examiner can ask the meaning of ahsanuhum, examiner can ask the meaning of khuluqa. Okay, move forward. According to the SLO, the next point is key messages. Okay, you need to understand the key messages and core messages and central idea or the main theme of a hadith. Okay, like in this hadith, the last Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam discuss about the good manners and discuss about the judgment of faith by the character and the by the behavior. And the very next point is interrelationship between the teachings of ahadith. Okay, in this scenario you need to understand the significance of character in the life of a believer. Okay, for example, I added the ahadith from Sahih Bukhari. The last Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he who believes in Allah and the last day should not harm his neighbor. Okay, this hadith is also related to this hadith. Okay, so this is the correlation and this is the interrelationship. Okay, the third point was understanding and applications in individual and collective life. You know, individual life is related to your personal level. Okay, individual life is related to your self awareness, and individual life is related to understand yourself and your personal development. Okay, so this hadith emphasizes the kindness, patience, manners, and maintain the good behavior in your personal life. Okay, and the very next point is collective life. Okay, in the societal context, committee built. This is the main concept of Islam. Okay, Islam give very significant significance and importance to the society. So how to make a strong society, how to make a supportive community, how to make best introductions among the people. This hadith is also related to understand these all areas of the society. Okay, the fourth point, according to the SLO, is analyze the lessons with social and moral aspect. Uh, this hadith gives the sense of community and collective well-being in your social life. Okay, as a member of society, you need to understand the sense of community. As a member of group of society, you need to be more strong, more supportive to other people. Okay, and the last form is moral aspect. Okay, moral aspect, you mean it means this hadith also emphasize good manners. Okay, good manners